Alrighty guys, tonight what we're doing is putting our new base on our tree. And remember, we're upgrading our James and the Giant Peach tree to go to Alice in Wonderland. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to measure and make sure here we're 1.5 inches off this previous leg here to the edge of the board. And then we're going to make sure same distance over here, about 1.5 inches. And then we want to come off the back and be about 1/2 inch. We'll sit here and get all this lined up, and then what we'll do is these legs back here are going to flare out this way to make the base wider. These legs right here are going to remain the same, so what we're going to do is go ahead and draw some lines around here, drill these holes, stop up some pipe, set everything up, and make sure our base is fitting properly. We'll catch back up with you later and let you see how that turned out. Alrighty, thank you guys. Alrighty guys, what we're getting ready to do is we're getting ready to cut out our hole here for our legs. This is going to be our front legs. It's got to be able to fit a piece of 1.25 inch PVC through there, and what we did is draw the circle using the previous leg, which actually was a coupling that goes on the end of the PVC, which will be on the other side anyway. But long story short, we got to cut it out about that big. Luckily we have a hole saw already set up. Alright, let's go ahead and get this. So we don't get a large amount of tear out, I'm going to go ahead and start our holes here. Alright, I'm going to flip everything over. That just keeps from when you cut these holes out getting a ton of tear out. That's what that does. I just like working off the end of the bench right here. Holds it well enough. Alright, so we've already got our holes. We know where center is, where the drill bit come through. Make sure I'm not going to hit my table. Looks like I might just barely catch it. I think we're good. And that way you don't have to fight by doing it that way. This plug doesn't get stuck down in here. It's just easier to get out. Now let's check and see if that's going to work. I'm going to call that perfect. What do you think, Red?
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
Alright. Cut. What we're going to do here is we're going to pop our leg extensions in. Now these are just temporary. And we're going to make sure we got a good fit. Alright. That looks like it. Our leg's going to end about, where do you think? Right about right here, Red?
Yeah.
So we're going to have to get us some pipe made up, and probably won't do that this evening, but that gets us set up for what we're going to do tomorrow. Alrighty. Let's call it a night.